prices witnessed a sharp decline of over 10% on Monday, falling to 1,29,000 rupees per 10 grams in future trade amid a global sell-off in precious metals driven by macroeconomic pressures. On the multi-commodity exchange, gold dropped by 14,897 rupees or 10.3% to 1,29,595 rupees per 10 grams. The metal has now fallen by 63,501 rupees or nearly 33% from its all-time high of 1,93,096 rupees per 10 grams recorded on January 29th. Experts attributed the steep fall to rising inflation concerns and a surge in crude oil prices. Gaurav Garg, research analyst at Lemon Market Desk, stated that a stronger US dollar and rising bond yields have triggered liquidity-driven selling, weakening gold's traditional safe haven appeal. The decline follows last week's drop of 13,974 rupees or 8.82% when gold closed at around 1,44,000 rupees per 10 grams in the domestic market. In a global market, gold futures for the April contract fell by $474.9 or 10.4%, touching an intraday low of $4,100 per ounce. Over the past week, prices declined by $486.8 or 9.6%, settling at $4,574.9 per ounce. Renisha Chainani, head of research at Augmont, noted that gold witnessed an aggressive correction last week, falling sharply near $500, its steepest weekly fall since 1983. And is now down nearly 17% over the past 3 weeks. She added that the sell-off has been driven by forced liquidation and cash rising by institutional investors. However, while further profit booking may continue, short covering and a possible rebound towards $4,750 per ounce cannot be ruled out.